to me again. I'm gonna put some stuff in the Evaporust and see how it goes. See if my Evaporust. The last time I put something in there, it wasn't working properly. It was kind of acting weird. Before I do that, I'm gonna put the drill bit back here before I forget it. My Evaporust bucket is over here next to my toaster. If you watch my videos a couple weeks ago, you'll have seen my toaster, because who hasn't seen the toaster? I used to have a truck that was nicknamed the toaster. Unlike some other people on the internet, I don't have a 50-gallon drum full of Evaporust, nor am I sponsored. But, you know, if Evaporust wants me to sponsor it, I will put everything in my garage, one at a time, and tell everybody on the internet that I Evaporust things, because the stuff does work good. But it's getting so expensive that I might just switch to regular vinegar, because it does the same thing. But Evaporust does a really good job. Besides the fact that vinegar smells better, maybe you should make Evaporust smell like roses. Because my daughter says it smells like puke or something. I don't think puke, but it doesn't have that wonderful smell that we all wish it had. Little roses. Did I forget anything in here? Oh, look, I did forget something here. I think this has been here for a month. This is going to be a good video. Look at that. I gotta buy some rags. I'm going to shop. That's my next big purchase. Buy 12,000 rags on Amazon. Oh, look. Yeah. I bet you this is not rusty anymore. You think? Ooh, gross. Gross. I forgot all about this. I forgot all about it. Looks pretty gummy. Well, let's see if we can get the crickety crack off of here. Let's give it a little bit of a maple brushing here. Maybe I should make a bigger vat. Huh? Well, you know, time is money and money is time, and I don't think I'm gonna spend $500 on Evaporust. I'd love to. It's good stuff. Does the job. Does what it says, and it says what it does. I don't know if there's a sludge on the bottom or what. I think a month is a good time in there. Yeah. How long did you leave your thing in Evaporust? Oh, just a month. Yeah, you know, whatever. At least there's stuff left to it. It worked this time. What's that? It's got Evaporust acne. Let's see. I'm getting it everywhere here. Getting it everywhere. It won't splash if it's underwater. Let's see. I'll try to get it off more. I don't think you really want to see me scrubbing Evaporust, so I'm just going to tell you how it looks. Looks beautiful. It's lovely. Just lovely. Just lovely. So anyway, I should probably name this video, I left my clamp in Evaporust for a month, and this is what happened. It got clean. That's pretty much it did. Got clean. Got my hands dirty. Freaking says it's safe on hands. Well, we'll find out. Well, at least it's not some shot in the arm. Oh, it turned. Oh, it turned. Oh, it moves. It moves. Hoorah, look at that. We got most of the turd off of it. Let's see. Good thing I have no wipes, because if I did, I'd be able to wipe my hands off. Now let's go like this. Oh, I should probably wipe that in there. There we go. Clean that off. There we go. Dun, 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 dun. I have a feeling it definitely etched. It probably ruined the finish. I think so. Yeah, it's been there for a long time, so why wouldn't it ruin the finish? Alright, that's enough. What else is in here? I think the brush is in here too. Alright, let's put this somewhere. somewhere. Alright, that's a dry. This is a nice dirty thing here. Was a nice clamp. Looks pretty. Whatever kind of finish it had on here, it doesn't look very good anymore. Strange. I'll show you in a second. This video was supposed to be about me putting something in the Evaporust, not remembering that I forgot something in the Evaporust. So this chunk of ads handles. Let's see what else is in here. Just a lot of crud. There's actually, let me go like this. See that stuff right there? That's Evaposlop. It's like poop. Evapo poop. Anyway, I'm gonna put this thing in there, in the Evapo poop, and I'm gonna put this in there. And I promise I'm not leaving it for a month. If it'll fit in there. As my son says, "Come on, come on." Okay. Is he full? What is in there? Rags? He says to everybody, "Come on, come on." He can't pronounce "come on." This is my ballast tanks right here. See, put them in there and it raises it up. This stuff does smell a little bit yucky. I don't know what else I'm wiping on my hands here because there's all kinds of crap on here, so I can't find a cleaner rag anywhere. Oh yeah, you have wipes. Where's the wipes? Where did the wipes go? Where did they go? I just had them. Oh, there they are. Duh. They're over here. Duh. So anyway, another shop tip. They're not cheap anymore, but if you want something good to clean stuff, baby wipes work good. They're a little thin. You can buy like a whole box for like $40. You get like 1,000 of them. The only problem is you can't reuse them. I mean, shop rags, you could always put a washer in your shop and wash them all. These are just like, but if you don't want to keep them, alright, we're going to put this in there for a good period of time. Take the super mallet here and this is a Home Depot bucket I'm using, by the way. Home Depot. See the sign right here? I didn't finish it yet. It's coming. Alrighty, let's put this over here. And ta-da, let's take a look at this. Let's take a look at this debauchery I put in here. Alrighty, let's see. Let's see, folks. Alright. This is, let me get another wipe here. There's tape on everything. Let's see now. It doesn't look like it did much. It just, there was see, it's like it ate the finish. Some kind of black finish on here just was. It's like black goop. Black goop. It's weird. Turn the magic light on. Don't worry, I'm gonna fix the lighting on the new shop too. This is a Pexto and Wilcox. Something. Pexto and Wilcox. See the finish that was in the inside here is a lot nicer. This one looks like it's severely etched. See, if you look very carefully, this one looks like smooth. This has been like chemically etched. It looks pretty freaky actually. I mean, it's not bad. It's not terrible. I mean, But whatever that black finish was, I don't know if it was, what do they call it, Japanning? Because it says 1885, 1888, the 14th of something. It's a nice, I don't know, maybe if I sandblast it. In what? I have no idea, because my sandblaster's not working at the moment. So you can just get the little, there's a little bit of crud in here. There's some crud right there. A little bit of crud in the corner here. Let's see. There's like a whole bunch of crud in there. I know I just took out a bunch of tools here. Let's see this. Oh yeah, it's like gummed up in there. Gummy. See here, it's gummed up, but it's not. This is like etched, and this one's still smooth. This is kind of all like meh, whatever. But it's all yummy and gummy here. Let's see. So whatever you do, don't leave stuff in the Evaporust for a month or more. It's probably been here for a month or two. I don't even remember when I put it in here. I'll have to go back to my videos and see. See, it's like pitted here. It's all eating through. Oh well, it was a good find. Not anymore. I wrecked it. It's coat of paint, maybe fine. Oh, I got an idea. I have an idea. Let's try this. Yeah, let's try this out. Let's see if this works. Let's do something stupid. Let's see. Ooh, that does work. That does work pretty good. Holy cormolies. That works good, actually. Folks, take a look at that. Look at that side. Look at the other side. This one's crummy looking, and this one's a lot cleaner. Let's try the whole thing. Try all of it. Let's see. Let's buck the camera up a little here. Let's see. I don't know. Let me turn this out here. Cleans the crud out, that's for sure. I'm sure, what's his name there? I never think of this before. Definitely cleans the threads out. Threads definitely look chemically eaten by something. There's definitely, it doesn't even feel the same. That's why you wear glasses. Cleans it nice. Cool. Weird. Oops. Oopsies. It's amateur hour. It's amateur hour. Open this up again here. Get this out of the way so you can see. Yeah, if you, I don't know if you're able to see that, but on here, there's a lot of chemical pitting. It wasn't that bad before because I know when I bought it, it was in nice shape. I wrecked it. I'll just, I don't know, paint it, I guess. Give it a coat of paint. JB Weld. That's it, JB Weld. I mean, it's functional, it's usable, it's clean. It'll probably flash rust by the time I get it back. So anyway, That's the that is the video today of my Evaporust thing. I'm going to take out those ads. I'm going to clean them up and polish them. And hopefully I won't forget about them, and I will definitely try to get them out of the Evaporust in less than a month. So definitely if you leave something too long in the Evaporust, it will get pitted and you will schmuck it all up. Does the Evaporust work? I have no complaints about Evaporust whatsoever. I know there are several other chemicals you can use. Muriatic acid, vinegar, Evaporust. I think WD-40 has a chemical now. All sorts of stuff. I think Evaporust is now part of CRC, I think it is. Or was it always? I don't know. So yeah, if you can afford it, buy some Evaporust. If you can't, well, you know, hey, there's tough times going on now, and I understand people are struggling. And what would you rather buy? A $3 bottle of vinegar to get something done, or a $28 gallon of Evaporust? Do the math. Thanks for watching, Toodles, and stay tuned. I'll have another video, and I'll buff it up, and I'll make the video less than long as this.